Hello students, at last lecture we have seen some of the advanced input elements, form elements such as color box, number box. Now we are going to see other rest of advanced input elements such as image box, email ID box, search box, file as well as telephone contact box like elements. We will check it out on this Google Chrome browser. So see here, most commonly we are using input tag for applying such elements on a browser's window. See one by one. Element number 1, URL, or it is also called as a location, where a location to be displayed. So for that input tag, most commonly we are using input type equal to URL. So it generates a typical box where user can apply its URL, that is nothing but location. Save this at here, get refresh within a browser's window. Like this. This one is a URL box where a location to be noticed, to be displayed, like this. Next to that, we will see next element, which is nothing but image box. So before applying such image box, we should apply something name for such a box, as we have given here URL oblique location for this location box or URL box. This field is used for entering the URL, universal resource location. Same way we can use image, we can display an image within image box, as well as a button is appeared within such box. See here, input type equal to image, type equal to image. So it can defines a specific button. See here, image, and in front of such field name image, submit button is there, which can apply an image. But we can apply image by using source attribute within this input tag, as well as we can define its dimension by using height and width attributes. So a particular space will be acquired. See here, we are applying here height equal to 200, width equal to 300. So a space to be acquired on this browser's window. See here, a frame is appeared here, a frame is appeared here, height of 200 pixels, width of 300 pixels. So user can apply any of image within this, it is possible again. See here, we are applying source attribute source equal to within double quote a path of image to be given, a path of image to be given. So, an image saved within your folder might be applicable, or you can use any address location as a source for that. Use any of, suppose here are some images, you can get apply them by using their address by copying here. That should be applicable at here. I have chosen a picture of a penguins. I have chosen a picture of penguins. So, a penguins picture will be displayed within this area. See here, we have to save again this document within editor box like this. An image is appeared. Next element from this input elements, email box. As its name, and it is used for typical purpose, that is nothing but entering email ID within that. So, user have to enter here their mail ID by using again input tag, input type equal to email, type equal to email. So, it will be appeared in browsers window. See here, save this again at editors window, refresh at browsers window, you will get email box. Just like a text box, it appears, and a user can enter here their own mail ID as a valid mail ID. Suppose I have entered here my mail ID, like this. It is possible to apply a field called as mail ID or email. Next element we will see here, search box. So, searching, we know that any of information, whenever we are having a information as a incomplete, having an insufficient information about any of concept, we are using search engines. So, for that any user can use search box, and it can be designed by using again input type equal to search. So, whenever you have a search box within your page, you should have a connection with database server. Means when user enters something conceptual words here for getting their meanings, for getting their more information, when such word to be applied here and clicked on search button, information should be displayed as a particular meaningful information about such concept. Suppose we are entering here a word, or nowadays a disease is spread out called as COVID-19. So, when you enter here something information or a particular word, sufficient meaningful information regarding such a concept, regarding such input entered by the user to be displayed by search window. So, search box is applicable Next we will see uploading of file. For such we should get design a field, we should apply a field called as upload. Whenever we are using online submission of information, files or linkage of such documents, we are using upload field. To get upload, attach the files, those are on your machine, PC or a cell phone, those can be uploaded. So basically it's a type of file. So input type equal to file element to be used, file element, that is nothing but file element, which produces a browse button to select your file from your location, and you can get upload this. See here, I have chosen or given a field name upload at here, that is displayed upload. So your photograph, your information can be applied here to be sent elsewhere. For such, choose file button is given. By default it is a blank, so no file chosen option is given, sentence is given. User can use any of file by clicking at this button, choose file. It will explore your window from any of location. You can get open your file and upload it. It is possible. Suppose I have chosen something file like this, open, a name of such file to be given, to be displayed here. You can also change a file from here, it is possible. See here. So this field is used to upload the files, selecting from your location by browsing the content, exploring the content, and one can apply this like this. Next field is telephone box. Telephone box, it is also known as tel. So for this we are using a field name as contact number. Again we are using input tag, its type is nothing but tel, telephone box, where a user can enter their telephone numbers in a specified manner. Such a contact number may be a landline phone number or a mobile phone number also. So as per that, regarding particular information, we are defined here field name as contact number. See here, it will produces a text box for contact number. So user can enter here a particular contact number. Suppose a landline number to be given, it is possible in a specified manner. See here, 02327 as a STD code and phone number 222 as a specified phone number. Likewise, after this we are going to see next element, that is nothing but range, applying a value in a certain range. It is possible. So a range value can be applied. By default it gets a value as a default value from 0 to 100. So, see here how it appears. Input type equal to range. So, most of the times we have observed a progress bar, a status bar. Likewise, your processing your data might be in a certain range to be applied by using a range element. See here, range from 0 to maximum as 100, one can apply a range bar like this. So, these are the elements as an advanced input element. We will see again from top to bottom once again. Location, where we can apply a particular URL, that is universal resource locator. You can give something path at here. Likewise, suppose a computer's file is displayed attached, might be with address like this. We have chosen here C drive users public pictures like this, something information as a location it is provided. Next to that, we have seen image box. Within such image box, we have applied a particular picture. You can change their dimension by using height and width, might be. So, it can be stretched for a particular space. See here, I have used height of 300 pixel, width of 400 pixel. Such image is, now it is big one in comparison with previous. Here is the location URL, image box is there. Then after, we are going to apply mail ID by using a field name called as email. I am going to apply my mail ID. Likewise, a valid email ID to be provided like this. Next field is search. To get search, as I have told, whenever you are using search engines like Google, Yahoo, there is a database server. When you enter something information, enter something unknown values and sufficient meaningful information regarding such concept, regarding such input, it is searched. So, it is possible to search, but we have to get connect your database. Suppose I have entered here COVID-19. Recently, we are facing effects of such a disease. Might be information to be provided if you have a connection of a database who stores something information about such disease, that is search box. Then next is file. This file is nothing but what? Uploading the document, attaching the document. So, it provides a button with a default name as a choose file. By default it is blank, so no file chosen option is there. Click at here, file, choose file. It produces something or gives something exploring files. Select any of your document, click to open, and such file with its extension is selected and attached will be displayed at here. That is, I have chosen tulips.jpg. Next element, telephone number box. So, we have chosen a field name called as a contact number for that, and a user can enter any of contact number from landline phone numbers as well as mobile phone numbers also. I have entered here a landline phone number. Also, we can enter mobile numbers also. like this. Last one, an element called as a range. We have given here range, input type equal to range. By default it have a value as a 0 as a minimum, 100 as maximum. It rests at 50%, might be a 50 value as a, you can get increase, you can get decrease by scrolling this dot, but it's a range bar who displays a range of your processing, range of your information. Likewise, so within this lecture we have covered 7 input elements, those are advanced input elements. HTML5 produces total 14 input elements. At last lecture we have seen 7 elements, those were number box, color box, month, date, as well as week and local date time. And this lecture, within this lecture we have seen such type of elements. Rest of syllabus we will cover at next lecture. Thank you.